Hello everybody, greetings from the Great Pyramid of Egypt. You know, mainstream archaeology tells us that the Egyptian civilization began about 3100 BC with the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt. But what if the roots go far, far deeper? Not just thousands, but what if it went back 10,000 years? Maybe more. What if the ancient civilization of Egypt wasn't born from isolation, but rather was born from rebirth, a resurgence after what may have been a global catastrophe? This is the story whispered in the Edgar Cayce readings. A man dubbed the Sleeping Prophet, who in a hypnotic state, when put under hypnosis, said he was able to access what he called the Akashic Records, a kind of cosmic memory bank of all human experience. Every soul wrote on the Akashic Records. So according to Cayce, one of his own past lives was that of a high priest, Rata, a visionary who really helped reshape Egypt in the aftermath of the destruction of Atlantis, which was, according to Cayce, around the year 10,500 BC. Now, Rata wasn't just a priest. He was a bridge between worlds, a bridge between epochs, a bridge between memory and forgetting. He, along with the survivors of the Atlantean civilization, really carried forth sacred knowledge of geometry, of medicine, cosmology, sound, spiritual science, light, that would really become important in the dynastic Egypt time period. And Rata did so under the guidance of those Cayce referred to as the children of the Law of One, a spiritual brotherhood that was rooted in the Atlantean ideals of unity and divine connection, understanding our relationship with God. Now, Cayce also spoke of a hidden chamber beneath the paw of the Sphinx, which is located right down from here, just a few meters. And he said that all the knowledge of Atlantis would be there, the rise and fall in civilizations, and really the soul journey through humanity. Now, he said that the chamber would be uncovered when the consciousness of humanity was actually spiritually ready for it. So now consider this. The Sphinx shows signs of water erosion that does suggest it predates the desert climates by thousands of years, and that its dating is off. Geologists such as Robert Schoch and Graham Hancock have written and argued extensively about this. The Great Pyramid is aligned with incredible precision to the cardinal directions, to the celestial bodies, suggesting far greater knowledge than what Bronze Age people is said to have had. And the ancient texts speak of Zep Tepi, the first time, a golden age when gods actually walked among men. Is this myth or memory? So the question isn't just when was Egypt built. It's who remembered what was lost and why were they trying to preserve it. Cayce said those returning to Egypt today are often the reincarnated souls of those who built it long ago. And that to walk among these temples is really to awaken a memory that's sleeping within us. So perhaps the sands of Egypt don't just cover stones. Maybe they cover a truth that we agreed to forget until now. Paraphrasing one of the readings, Cayce gave over about 14,000 readings and a lot of them on Egypt. But paraphrasing one, Cayce says, in Rata's time, there were those who listened, not just with their ears, but with their hearts, and they remembered. So if you have a calling to come to Egypt, if maybe that's a soul's reawakening to something that you knew or something that you did while you were here, and if your soul is calling you to come here, don't wait. Please, come check it out. You won't be disappointed. Have a blessed and beautiful day.